Hi everyone, Lisa here. Today I am discussing dietary supplements and private brand owners and things they need to be concerned about. For those of you who don't know, a private brand owner is a company that outsources the manufacturing of its products and then puts its own label on it. And this is very common in the industry. One person manufactures, another person puts their label and does the marketing and the distribution. Well, more and more with the advent of Amazon and fulfillment centers, some companies are not even doing the distribution. They are doing the branding and the marketing. And this has become very common, especially for influencers who have already branded themselves through social media and now want to extend their brand to a quality product. What a lot of these influencers and private brand owners don't realize is that FDA requires certain procedures and quality controls to be in place if you own the private brand, even if you are not doing the physical distribution, even if the product does not come into your possession. Simply by putting your name on a product, FDA expects you to have a certain level of oversight with your manufacturer. So a couple of things that FDA wants to see from its private brand owners is it wants to see that you are reviewing what your manufacturer is making and that they are in fact making what they asked you to, that any testing that should be done on your product is being done on your product to confirm the labeling as well as to confirm that it is free from any contaminants. In addition to that, they expect you to have complaint procedures in place because it's going to be your contact information that appears on that label. So when that customer calls about an adverse event that happened, a medical complaint, or even just a product complaint, FDA wants to make sure that you have a procedure in place for capturing all of those complaints. I'm going to go into detail in subsequent videos about these different procedures and things that private brand owners and influencers can do to ensure that their brand is being protected as they contract with fulfillment centers and they contract with contract manufacturers.